Hey friends, it's Sean from Mind Possible. I recently posted a video in which I answered a question that someone had emailed it to me through my website. But that's not something I typically do, and I've decided to not respond to personal requests for tips or advice in terms of psychic development or training or questions about the techniques I teach in my books or online courses for several reasons. And I'll just give you a recent example. Someone recently emailed me asking me about their process with telekinesis. He described what he was doing, and he also told me that it was the very first day he had started working with my book. He described what technique he was doing, and he wanted to know how he could succeed faster. And I emailed him back very honestly saying there are two things at issue here. One is you need to be patient with the techniques and with training and practice. It takes time, and it takes different people different amounts of time. So patience is a really important part of the formula for training. The other part is following the instructions carefully and doing the hand positions that I mentioned in order. This person was doing a hand position that I mentioned that one should do after a long period of training and success in the earlier stages. Well, he had jumped straight there. So that's not really following the instructions precisely. So I gave him those two pieces of feedback, and he responded very negatively. I think I hurt his feelings, and which I really regret doing. But that was an example for me. It was a reminder why I shouldn't reply to people who I don't personally know. I don't know how old they are. I don't know what personality traits they have. I don't know what other issues they have. And in an email or a text, they can't understand the tone of my voice. So they might think that I'm sounding like a jerk or something, and that's the last thing that I intend to do. But more than that, when I give someone a response to their question, often it's the hard answer, like be more patient, or please review the instructions again and be true to the instructions. This is advice that most people don't like to hear. That's why I don't take personal students, because if someone wants to work with me personally, it's going to be hard work, and I'm going to hold them to the instructions and encourage them to be patient. And a lot of people these days don't want to hear that. Often in the past, when I did give people that sort of advice, I would never hear from them again. I would write pages of advice to people for having out-of-body experiences, telekinesis, clairvoyance, remote viewing, and then I would never get a thank you. So either I would never get a thank you or they'd lash back at me angrily, which doesn't feel good because I just gave them my time for free, right? And I don't have a lot of time to give. So for that reason, I'm stopping responding to people who email me through my website. Just pay attention to the instructions in my books and the online courses. I really can't give personal advice anymore through email. The best way to work with me is to meet me in person or on Zoom through one of my online classes or one of my seminars or one of my local classes here in Denver. And if you're interested in that, just join the mailing list at mindpossible.com, and you'll get announcements when I do offer different kinds of classes, because I do want to help people. I just know that it's so limited in what I can do, especially because I try to be honest as a teacher, and the answers that I have to give sometimes are not very popular. So, sometimes people do email me though with nice things to say, and they say thank you, and I really appreciate that. It really does mean a lot. It makes a difference because I know that these are the people who are following the instructions, they are being patient, and they are getting success from their effort, which is what this is all about. So hopefully I don't come off as a jerk saying this, but I need to put that out there so you understand where I'm coming from. All right, take care. Bye-bye.